Hi friends, welcome to Easy Cooking. Thanks for supporting our channel. Today we are going to prepare creamy milk white pasta or macaroni. It is really delicious food. It is suitable for breakfast or dinner. If you want, you can take it as a lunch. Switch on the stove and keep your pan. Add 5 to 6 cup of water to boiling and add 200 grams of whole wheat pasta. If you want, you can take it any other pasta. And add a spoon of salt and then 2 spoons of oil. Let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Always try to follow the timings mentioned on the pasta packet for the better result and filter it. And then wash the pan and place it on the stove. We need to add a spoon of butter, let it melt, and add chopped onion and little chopped garlic. Stir it well. And add a capsicum and sliced chestnut mushroom and let it cook for 5 minutes. If you want, you can take it any other vegetables like carrots or anything else. Now it's cooked. You can take it off into a plate. Now our vegetables are ready. Again wash the pan and place on the stove. Add a spoon of butter. Let it melt. After melting, add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously. Keep the stove in low flame. And add 2 cups of milk little by little to get a creamy texture. And then toss like this. See, our creams are ready. Then add our boiled vegetables. Mix it well. And add pasta. Mix it gently like this. Add very little bit of salt if required. Add mozzarella cheese around 100 grams. On top of that, add chili flakes based on your spice. Here we are added a spoon of chili flakes. Then add half a spoon of dried basil and leave it for 3 minutes. Then our awesome delicious white pasta is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and press the bell button for our notifications.
Yummy pasta ready. Wow, it's very sticky.
Thanks for watching.